In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a jewelry Shopify website. If you are building a jewelry brand online, choosing the right theme is an important first step. A good theme helps your products look elegant, makes your pages easy to browse, and can even support a smooth shopping experience for your customers. In this section, we are going to focus on finding and applying a jewelry-friendly theme within the Shopify admin, so you can get your store looking right away. First, click on Online Store. You will usually find this option in the main menu of your Shopify dashboard. It is typically where you manage the storefront appearance and the overall shopping experience. When you click Online Store, take a moment to confirm you are in the area that controls your public-facing site. This matters because the next step will take you into the theme area, where you can browse templates and choose the design that fits your jewelry business. Next, you will want to discover themes. Look for the Discover Themes option and click it. This will open the theme gallery, where Shopify shows available themes that you can preview and install. At this point, it is helpful to remember that you do not need to decide everything in 1 minute. You can browse, preview, and compare options, so you can choose something that matches the style of your brand. Now, type the keyword jewelry. After you click Discover Themes, there is usually a search bar or a prompt area for filters. Type jewelry into that search field. As you type, Shopify will narrow down the theme results and show options that are commonly used for jewelry stores or similar product categories. This saves time and helps you avoid scrolling through themes that are not a good match for your products. Then, pick your type on the auto-generated theme. Once you search for jewelry, Shopify will generate theme suggestions based on what you entered. You might see multiple styles or directions, and Shopify may also suggest categories like fashion, luxury, minimal, or other design directions. Your job here is to choose the type that best matches how you want your jewelry brand to feel. For example, if you want a clean and modern look, you would select a theme type that emphasizes simplicity and strong product focus. If you want a more luxurious feel, you would select the option that features a more premium presentation. After you select the appropriate theme type, Shopify may guide you through a quick setup path or provide a preview. Take a moment to look at the preview and check whether the overall layout suits your needs. Pay attention to how product pages are displayed, what the homepage looks like, and whether the theme style matches the kind of jewelry you sell. This step is important because the theme will influence fonts, spacing, navigation, and how your images are presented. Once you have chosen the theme type, you are basically setting the foundation for the rest of your store design. The theme you pick at this stage determines what your visitors will first experience when they land on your site. So if something feels off, it is better to go back and choose a different type now, while you are still in the discovery stage. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to find and choose a jewelry-focused theme for your Shopify website.